person
Or
in this window?
there's a building right here facing the woods. Somebody please get in that shit. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. See that shit? Look at that.
Like, no question, somebody just gonna do it.
Just let you know, if I get shot, I'm having a dramatic death.
Good. You better. I think as long as we're not as long as it's them that killed him, I think he can respawn. It's just if we kill him.
That's why I formed that squad.
Should we lock the windows so they can't open them up and shoot them?
If they're already that close, we're fucked anyway.
X. Which one of y'all was gonna stay here? Where at? Alright, there's a building out there.
Yeah, we already got one bro in it.
Oh, okay. But is he one of the squads?
No, he's one of ours. He's one of our campy bros. What? I have a shit ton of memory. As long as my battery holds out, I'm fine.
Yeah, he comes out.
Is it already bitching? Is it already bitching?
I didn't even have it on.
Floyd's camera's so gay.
Hey, we know where the bomb is.
Dude. This is the greatest thing ever. Alright, so our two guys of a four-man squad took cover like immediately at the ditch. So they must see somebody already in the swamp. Alright, there's definitely movement in the swamp. No, I know. I'm saying like further out. You know the ones that aren't our people? It's just hot as shit up there. That's why we didn't go up there. And remember, if they call for bomb planted, everyone but like two of us need to fucking sprint for the campgrounds.
I'll do it. I'll sprint.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Youngest one. I'll do it.
You got a pair of legs on you?
Can you walk out on 3 foot that way towards you?
I'm gonna drop my gun.
What?
Is that a good idea to drop my gun?
And mark it in the dirt? So you know.
Oh. So I call this good.
I think it's too much work to get up.
As long as he's...
Watch him outside other than that guy.
Fine! God, Alex, fine! God!
He's just watching that way, but he doesn't know they're going to come around the very back. They're going to come in the very back.
We had two of the guys of our squad go out that way.
Oh, okay.
Like the squad dudes.
Yeah. Oh, 2 of them, they split up?
Yeah, they split. 2 went in the middle, 2 went out this way.
Okay.
How many people we got upstairs?
One another. No, one. Where did you come from? Are you not coming in that building anymore? You got it, Dylan. You see that building over there? Go cover it, because we got our left there.
Hey, why'd you leave the building?
They're moving to the left. Like they're going around behind us.
Getting this good video.
No, semi on
Oh, shoot, now. My bad, Semi. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry! I didn't mean it!
Ready?
Yeah, I almost went full load on him.
Yeah,
He's coming around the back!
Backside, watch yourself!
He's out, he's out, he's out.
Caught you, Red, right in the fucking face. Hope you liked it. Did it taste good? Mm-hmm, tastes good. Okay. Reloading.
I don't know what I'm doing. No, sit down. Woo! There's a guy. I see him. My gun's double firing.
Back the fuck up, whoever you are.
Come on.
Huh? Mine's on, yeah.
Okay, look, I see a guy, but I can't shoot him. Ready? Look, there's a big pine tree. He's behind the pine tree. You're gonna have to use this door. See him? He's right behind the pine tree where the orange flag is. Scoot left, scoot left, scoot left with your gun. No, scoot your gun left. There you go.
I don't know exactly what the fuck you're talking
Oh, maybe not. Maybe it looks like first I thought on this.
You guys watching?
Pay attention. With one of you's not paying attention, other one pay attention.
And somebody watch our backside. I don't want them to get a fucking around us.
Well, the only way to get around it.
I know, but like if they sneak around over here and go into that door over there, we're all fucked.
Oh God, door's opening.
Oh shit, Alex!
It wasn't me. Well, that's a good point. Lock it. Quick.
Got it.
Good right there.
Me? I'm kind of spying out the backside here. You know what I'm saying? What you say to me? Nothing? No?
That's a sick gun.
Thanks, man. It's an MP5 with a Swordfish kit on it.
Crazy.
It looks legit, doesn't it?
Some advanced warfare shit.
I told him he needs a stock like this.
Oh yeah.
Nah, I like my fixed stock. I don't see shit. I've been trying.
Hey, Brett, you out like
Okay.
kind of like, you ready? Hey, if you look over here, see the bullet.
That's it.
In there, that area.
Fuck was that?
They're gonna like fall through.
Nah, it's
Yeah,
very
solid. Fuck off!
They're over there. Hey, he said they're about.
They were shooting like right through the knee.
Oh, shoot.
What?
They hit you?
Is it locked?
Yeah, it's locked.
Make sure it's locked.
Guys, you lost them.
What you got, man?
I was like, that's all my. Oh, shit. I knew you were there because I could hear you. You can't, I can only see silver.
Fuck off.
I really think my battery's dead.
Your fault.
And that's what I thought too. It's got to go to you.
Pay attention. You can run back out there and change batteries.
Hold on to you. Go. No, don't shoot again.
What else is the red thing in my head?
Huh?
Is the red thing in my head?
Put your hand up, or yeah, put your hand. Walk out. Get blood from on.
Oh, I would have had him. Had to change mags. Damn it.
I hear it, but I don't know where.
Fuck off. Fuck off. That's all that matters. Where's that coming from?
Cool thing is they're not shooting at us.
Is that from the front?
No, they're shooting at him up there.
I know, like where from?
From there, up
Yeah,
there.
it's friendly right here.
Those mags are tiny.
We got like 3 of them out here.
Uh-huh.
And how many, I don't know, I think that's it.
Sup, mother trucker? How you doing? Think that tree's gonna hide you? Think not. you in the hand, you're gonna feel like a little bitch.
Why is he shooting me?
You didn't do anything.
I didn't do anything. Oh, God. Here.
Bro, top got hit?
Yeah.
Alright, watch that way. What are you doing? I will kill you myself! Get off your phone! No texting and shooting! Gotcha. Now you turn to die, mother trucker. Come at me, bruh.
Got myself a battle here.
I got hit, there's nobody on top.
If you're hit, you're out. Dead man don't talk.
Well,
We know there's nobody on top.
Hello.
X, get up top. Oh, now you're gonna shoot, huh?
Yeah! Stop it! Yeah! The dog didn't take it in!
Yahoo!
That's not this is right.
These nuts! Ha!
Nuts!
Got him!
Got him!
I heard it hit you, mother truck. Was that a gun or your mask? Which one was it? You tell me. You coming out? Yeah, okay. Yeah! I can hear that shit. Well, hey, Chance.
Hey! They've been doing shit next door.
Sit!
Yo! What?
Never mind, never mind. I'm gonna take hold this door while I reload. Because this door swings open.
There's a lock on it.
Yeah, he figured it out.
Are they moving?
Full of these nuts.
Oh, that's also what they're doing.
So you got him moving right, I think.
Yeah, people covering the front too, Chance? Like our guys over there?
Some over there, watching the woods.
That's it. I mean, so they don't come through the woods and then hit us from the front. Where are you going?
That's how look over there.
You sit your ass. Don't you fucking shoot.
I'm your master, bitch. I'm the bitch
Obey your master.
master. Wait, where do you go with the phone? You can have tunes going.
Oh, hey, bro. Yeah.
Hell yeah, 5 minutes remaining. We can kick out.
Fuck yeah. Ain't nobody touching our VIP. It's sweet ass. Anyway.
Okay, well, I just saw. Hold on. Is that our guy right there?
Probably not.
No,
That is blue. Okay.
Oh, Chance?
Yeah. Okay, well, I saw our guy. I saw Chris.
Chris is our dude.
Yeah. Chris, I saw him behind the woods in the graveyard.
Okay.
So, he's one of the. Yeah, he's on our team. He's one of the sports squad.
What's up, mother trucker?
Where he at?
It's a little dirt mountain over here.
How can he not hit something up here? That's a.
Right? Fuck.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hey, we got like one or two, I can't count them, but
Y'all want to move into the graveyard?
We got it.
we're doing pretty damn good right here.
I mean, it's a good like escape path, but we're holding out right here. Doing work, son.
No, semi.
Semi out of a building.
Yeah, we all did it.
Yep. We all
We all
did
did
it.
it.
Yep.
I didn't. I don't even have a gun.
He doesn't have a gun and he did it.
Exactly. Fire from the front. Watch yourself. Where's it coming from the front? Who the hell you people think you are?
He's behind the dirt pile.
Yeah, I know there's one guy there.
Hey, go up top. Help him up top. They're over the dirt pile over here.
Yeah. I'll let y'all have it here.
Yep, we got it.
Y'all want to move him?
Alright,
Nah, we good,
we
son.
probably won't.
We're good right here. It's pretty intense just sitting here, you know what I'm saying? Yep. Camping's intense. What? What do you mean
I
what?
don't know how I'm out of ammo.
Like
What's mad?
completely out or just the mag?
What's mad? You good? You know, you know. Oh shit.
Fuck off! Fuck off! BBK! BBK!
Don't go to he's trying to make a run by the way.
Dude, yeah, they're coming at us. Fuck off! Go fuck yourself, Will. Bye-bye!
Hey Will! Hi Will! Bye Will! Love you! Love you Will! Go help them. You can get a better angle from up there. They're over the other side of the deck. Is that one of my guys up there? At that building?
What do you mean at that building?
The building like in the front to your right?
I don't know.
I don't know. I think it's another. Just like 2 minutes, right? It's going by faster than I thought.
Yeah, right?
I mean, I don't know about you.
Yeah. Lazy Sunday. Wake up in the late afternoon.
2 tears in a bucket. Bucket.
Sky rockets in flight. Woo! Afternoon delight. Afternoon delight. I think you got it now.
I got it gone.
Yeah, it's like all spontaneously joined back in. That was fucking awesome. I swear there's somebody over here, but I see nothing. Like I hear them shooting over here. I don't see nobody.
Yeah, it is.
What you got?
You are? No, let's see.
That's what I'm saying.
It looks like a guy. It looks like
Are you a guy or a girl?
Tu boca niña! Pendejo!
Le punta madre!
Wait, did somebody bring the Jesus rifle? Listen. Listen. Oh shit. Oh,
Come at me, bruh! I think I just drilled all those into this little piece of plywood right here. I don't know if any of them actually make it through.
I don't know if that was cheap. I mean, what we did, that was just cheap.
What do they expect us to do? If you have a VIP to garden, you put them in the port. What else do you do? That's what you do.
And we did it.
Damn right we did. I wonder if they were pushing for the bomb.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Like the one guy tried to go through, but he couldn't make it. There's no way he was going to make it.
Fuck off!